During this video, I'm going to show you how we can add animation to our text, our boxes, and our buttons inside of our InstaBuilder editor. So here I am on a sales page of mine, and we can animate almost anything on this page. For example, our headline. If we go ahead and click on that, and then we click on the gear symbol to bring up our settings on the right hand side, you can see that we have a display animation option here. And if we click the drop down arrow, we have all these different animations that we can apply to our headline. And these animations will take place when someone loads the page. And as you can see here, we have about 12 different animations, and we can apply these, like I said, to any kind of text, any kind of box, or any kind of button that we have on our page to kind of animate it and make it feel alive when someone loads our page. So let's add an animation to a few things on our page here and see what it looks like. So for our headline here, I can choose bounce perhaps. I'm going to hide that. Now I'm going to click on our purchase button here, click on the gear symbol, and then under display effects, I'm going to drop that down. And again, we have our different animations that we can choose. So I'm going to choose the highlight, for example. And now let's animate one more thing. Let's animate this little text of bullet points that we have here. I'm going to click on the gear symbol once again. And then for a display animation, let's try the explode and see how that looks. So we're going to save this. And now we're going to preview it to see what it looks like. Alright, there we go. So we can kind of see the headline dropped in, the button came in, was highlighted, and the text kind of exploded in. Okay, so you see how that works, and we can add that to, any of the button, the text, or the headlines. And you can kind of go back in here and kind of play with them and see how each animation looks, because we do have 12 different animations to choose from. So maybe I can go back in here, I can choose slide for the button, and let's see how the slide looks. There you go, you can see how the button kind of slides in from the side. So that's just a little cool way that you can add some animation to your web page to make it feel alive, and at the same time draw attention to a certain part of your page. If I take away the animation for my headline and I take away the animation for this text bullet points over here, when that button slides in, that's going to grab your attention. No matter what is sliding in, it's going to capture your attention. So use these animations to draw the attention of your visitor to the parts of your web page that you want them looking at the most.